In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make QR code on Safari. You will do everything right inside Safari on your iPhone without installing any extra app. Safari itself does not create QR codes. When you tap around in Safari, you will not see any built-in option to generate one. Instead, you will use a QR code generator website that opens in a normal Safari tab, so everything still feels familiar. Now open Safari on your iPhone. Tap the Safari icon and wait for a blank page or your usual start page to appear. At the bottom or top, you will see the address bar where you normally type web addresses. Once Safari is open, go to a QR code generator website. In the address bar, type the name of a QR code generator site you like, then tap Go. The page will load and you should see a simple form where you can enter text or a website link and usually a big button to create the code. Many generators show a preview area that is currently empty or has a sample QR code. From there, choose the type of QR code you want. Look for options such as website URL, text, Wi-Fi, or contact. Often these appear as tabs or buttons across the top of the form. Tap website URL if you want the QR code to open a web page. Tap text if you just want to show plain text when someone scans it. Wi-Fi lets you store a network name and password so people can join your network by scanning. Contact usually creates a virtual contact card that can be saved directly into a phone. Next up, enter the information you want to encode. If you chose website URL, paste or type the full web address starting with HTTP. For text, type the exact message you want people to see. With Wi-Fi, carefully enter the network name and password, paying attention to capitals, since one wrong character will stop the connection from working. For a contact type, fill in details like name, phone number, and email address as prompted on the page. Take a second to check for typos because the QR code will contain exactly what you type. After that, tap Generate QR Code. This button might also say Create or Make QR Code, but it will be clearly labeled near the form. Once you tap it, the page refreshes slightly and a black and white square QR code appears, usually just below the button. Some sites also show a short success message right above the new code. With your QR code on screen, download or save the QR code to photos or files. On most generator sites, you will see a download or save image button under the code. Tap it and choose Save to Photos or Save to Files when Safari asks. If you save to Photos, open the Photos app later, and you will see the QR code as a normal image in your recent Photos album. Finally, share or print the QR code as needed. Open the saved image, tap the share icon, and pick Messages, Mail, AirDrop, or your printer. You just created a custom QR code in Safari and saved it for sharing or printing. So if this helped you, a quick thumbs up and maybe a subscribe would really support more simple how-to videos like this.